Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. Today's devotional verse is from Proverbs 16:31, which says, "Gray hair is a crown of splendor. It is attained in the way of righteousness." Do you remember the time when you saw one white hair in your head and you suddenly became anxious and told yourself, "Oh, I am already old." But you know what? We should not be sad when we see white hair in our head because that is a sign that we have grown in wisdom. And God brought us through all those challenges that we have faced, and that God gave us wisdom to face all the situation that we've been through. So that is a mark and a sign how God has brought us through by giving us the wisdom. Thank you for listening. Have a great Sunday and God bless.